When you awaken, you begin to see that you were never meant to blend in. The noise of the crowd fades, and what once felt like belonging begins to feel like a distraction. You stop chasing the hive's approval because you finally understand. Your loyalty belongs to your own soul. This isn't loneliness, it's alignment. Be patient as the universe rearranges itself around your new frequency. Those meant for you will feel your presence without effort. Don't trade your authenticity for the comfort of being liked. In the stillness of solitude, your energy grows clear and magnetic, calling forth those who recognize the truth you now live.